Welcome to Rank Flip. In this video, I'm going to explain exactly what SEO is, why it matters, and how you can use it to get free traffic from Google starting today. Whether you own a business, run a blog, or just want to make money online, this is the most important skill you can learn in 2026. Here's a shocking fact: 96% of all websites on the internet get zero traffic from Google. Zero visitors, zero customers, zero sales. The reason? They don't understand SEO. By the end of this video, you will. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. Let me break that down simply. When someone types a question into Google, Google shows them a list of websites. SEO is the process of making your website appear at the top of that list, for free. No ads, no paying Google, just pure organic traffic. Here's the best way to understand SEO. Imagine Google is the world's biggest library. Every website is a book inside that library. SEO is how you get your book placed right at the front, on the most visible shelf, so everyone who walks in sees it first. There are 3 types of SEO you need to know. Number 1, on-page SEO. This is everything on your website: your content, your keywords, your headings. Number 2, technical SEO. This is the behind-the-scenes stuff: your page speed, mobile friendliness, how Google crawls your site. Number 3, off-page SEO. This is getting other websites to link to yours. We call these backlinks. All 3 work together. So how does Google actually decide who gets the number 1 spot? Google does 3 things. First, it crawls the internet. Google sends out bots that read every page on every website. Second, it indexes your page. Google saves your content in its massive database. Third, it ranks your page. Google compares all indexed pages and decides which one best answers the user's question. The better you answer the question, the higher you rank. Alright, here are 3 things you can do today to start improving your SEO. Number 1. Go to GoogleSearchConsole.com and verify your website. It's completely free and takes 5 minutes. This tells Google your site exists. Number 2. Make sure every page on your website has a clear title and meta description. Number 3. Write one piece of content that fully answers a question your target customer is asking. One great article beats 10 average ones every time. Subscribe. Rank Flip SEO.